Hi, we are here with Mr. Heram Kulkarni, the Chief Architect of Nokia, and also now the Managing Director of Intia Matkat, which is a leading tours and travels company in Finland, which mainly operates in Scandinavian countries. So let's get an insight from him on as to how he has started Intia Matkat and how the concept was built in his mind.
First of all, thank you for taking this interview actually. And the Intia Matkat concept came into the mind almost 4 years back when actually we were traveling within India, and then we understood that when we traveled across Europe, the India is much more fascinating, much more attractive, much more exotic as compared to Europe actually. We provide the end-to-end travel management services including package tours, and our concept lies within the cultural tourism.
Okay.
Our concept lies with the theme tourism.
Okay.
So we provide the entire tour packages starting from north of India, from Golden Triangle, Himachal, Rajasthan, Maharashtra, and Kerala, Karnataka, Goa. We operate one of the tours called Taste of India, in which we start from Mumbai. We take our European customers from Helsinki or from Denmark to Mumbai, and from Mumbai we start from there till 8 cities and 8 urban countries, 8 different villages, and where every night they will get the taste of new cuisine over
Okay.
there, where the locals over there they will teach the new cuisines to them.
And how is the response of the Europeans to this idea of coming into the villages and trying out the food and seeing the culture there?
Yeah, it's quite fascinating. It's in fact the one of the most common reaction which earlier they were having, that okay, that India is a country where they were expecting to see elephants, snakes, and a lot of pollution and all these things. But the thing that they totally changed the opinion after going back.
Okay.
First of all, they understood that it's not the country about pollution, it's not the country about slumdog millionaire, but it's the country of the having rich culture, having good people,
Okay.
good at heart. And in fact, now they can also understand that they really enjoyed the rural part as compared to the urban part, mainly because of the people's orientation. On one fine night, actually, one of the main traveler who were there coming for the first time, he was being offered a special treat on the plantain leaf,
Okay.
and then he liked that he could imagine that there are the most exciting or the most exquisite buffet he could have.
Okay,
was
that was
that
quite
yes,
fascinating
fascinating
for
for
him.
him. Yes, exactly.
Who designs these themes and who develops these ideas for Intia Matkat?
We have a team of 8 people. We have a mix of we are the owner of the company, but at the same time we have good collaborators with us.
Okay.
And we have a mixed combination of we have a team member of 3 Finns, 2 Swedes, and 2 Danish
Okay.
team members with us.
That's
Because of that, we have multicultural exchanges by default, and based on the customer requirements, we could translate that requirements into the real-time needs which
Okay.
are there. So all these things are defined based on the requirements from the customers, and then we have a network in the backside. We have good collaborators from India, as well as we have tie-ups with more than 250 hotel chains within
Okay.
India. We have collaborations and tie-ups with more than 70 special properties on the seashores,
Okay.
starting from Alibag till Kochi,
Okay.
on the entire coastal part of India. And at the same time, car rental services. We have more than 27 car rental services across India. So all these things are available with us, and we make the use of this infrastructure to build our itineraries, which are specially for us. One of the also very exciting tour is the adventure tour in the Kanha, Bandhavgarh, and Tadoba.
Okay.
And that is also quite fascinating to see a tiger when come
Right.
over there. One of the cultural tour which we did just now was Savai Gandharva.
Okay.
We bring 7 travelers from Finland, Denmark, and Germany to Savai, and they were here for 3 days. They enjoyed Hariprasad Chaurasia, Pandit Hariprasad Chaurasia's Basuri Vadan, and they liked it very much.
Okay.
At the same time, they enjoyed the Mr. Ghate's Tabla Vadan
Tabla.
and all this.